We are starting off today by talking inflation because inflation is what the Fed watches to make possible moves. Let's bring in Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Investments. What's your thought today, Joe?
That's going to be super critical now, of course. So remember how important it was back in May. That April inflation number, the CPI number, was really hot, way bigger than expectations. And that really put the fear in the market that rates are going to be going up soon. Now, lately, we've actually been seeing the opposite. We've been seeing rates coming in. We've seen a bid in bonds, which has been very good for equity prices as they're coming into this inflation number close to all-time highs across the board. So that's fascinating to see. Now, last month's inflation number was way bigger than expectations. This month's expectations number the bar is being set high for inflation. People are expecting 4.7 year over year CPI. That is, by any stretch of the imagination, really high CPI. That's the expectation. So if it comes in lighter, maybe that'll be good for bonds coming or rates coming in and bonds going up. And of course, that lately has been really good for equity prices.
Well, one of the areas where we are seeing inflation is in the price of gasoline, crude oil crossing $70 per barrel.
That's part of inflation going up, of course. That means economic activity. That means people getting out there, going to work, people getting out there shipping goods and services around the world and domestically. So that is all tied together, and all of the inflation and the economic activity going hand in hand. Now there comes a point, though. Oil is a very good example where the price of it actually is bad for the economy, and that should slow things down, just like interest rates. So that's interesting to see oil. At what point does it keep on going up? Because there's still a demand for it, is my question. And so far, we haven't hit that yet.
Thank you for your Trader Talk, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.